Welcome inside the Rebuild and Rise app. Now, my clients don't open their workout until they answer this first. This is the capacity check in, and every single day before the workout loads, Jordan tells me and herself where she actually is: depleted, moderate, or ready to go. That one tap changes how she approaches the entire session. No more pushing through on empty. Hydration is tracked right here, so she knows exactly where she stands. It's all in one place. Now, this is where it gets good. On week 2, day 1, she reinforces what she started, beginning with lower body and pull patterns. Every exercise has reps, video links, and a rest timer. She checks off each movement as she goes. And check it out, you even get to track your strength in the strength log. One of the most intentional features in the Rebuild and Rise app is the drip lock feature. Now, this is a guided experience, so you can't jump ahead, binge workouts, or rush this process. And it protects the purpose of the program, helping you rebuild consistency without falling into those old all or nothing patterns. But this is what makes it different because every day ends with a reflection question because consistency is built in the mind before it shows up in the body. Inside my Toolkit tab, I wanted to give you more support beyond the workouts. So here you'll find practical tools to help you stay organized without overthinking the process. And this is so cool because you get an interactive shopping list where you can check off what you already have and then print only what you still need. There's a printable weekly layout if you like having something physical in front of you. And as you see, once loaded, this page works offline. But Jordan is building something real here. She's at 67% for her overall progress, and she hit a 3-day streak. And she's already logged her capacity and some hydration. So if Jordan has any questions, she can access the FAQ page or tab, which is fully functional. Inside the progress tab, you're not guessing if you're improving. You get to actually see it in real time. This tab shows you your capacity trends, your meal trends, and your strength history in real visual data. And yes, it's motivational, but most importantly, it helps you track patterns. You can see when your energy is improving, how consistently you're fueling, and how your strength is progressing over time. Because progress inside the Rebuild and Rise app is not just about the skill, it's about capacity, consistency, recovery, and strength. Jordan can also access her progress right from the home screen as well. This is what I mean when I say it isn't a regular program. It's a methodology, and now it lives in their pocket 24/7.